Good evening. Dan Fitzpatrick here at stockmarketmentor.com on Thursday, January 10th. And just a quick reminder, the High Octane Options workshop, it's an online streaming course, or streaming online course, is on Saturday. That's the day after tomorrow, and I want you to just go, you can just go to the homepage of Stock Market Mentor or optionmarketmentor.com and get the sign-up information. I would tell you that seats are going fast, so reserve yours before they're all taken. But since it's an online course, guess what? There's room for everybody, but I still think you need to take it, all right? How's that for some slick sales? Okay, look, Netflix. This is a stock, it looks like it's pretty overbought. It looks like you don't want anything to do with it, right? Well, not so fast, Horshack, because if you just kind of zoom out, you can see what's happening. This has been, this was a different deal here. But it's been in a basing pattern for quite a while, and it's just starting to drift higher. If you look at the red line here, that's a 50-day moving average. It's really just in a nice, uptrend. We've got this bullish crossover a while back between the 50 and the 200-day moving average. Depending on the steepness of the 200-day moving average versus the 50-day moving average, this can actually be more of a sell signal than a buy signal because it just kind of happens so late. Here, that's really not the case because, again, if you just zoom out, you get a better sense of the price action and where this stock is relative to where it was before the bonehead decided that he was going to split up the business and basically give you less for more, and you don't get your DVDs and all that stuff. So bad deal. The company's still basically recovering from that. But if you just use the 20-day moving average as a reference for buying, then you're going to be fine on this one. I would suggest, though, you look at $100 as resistance. That's where it is right now. But just buy the dips. Buy these pullbacks when they get closer to the 20-day moving average. And I think it's okay to start scaling in now. If you're late on this stock, it's really okay. Just again, make sure you have a longer-term time horizon. Slide the chart over. Say, wow, in about 4 or 5 months, this thing could be near $150 if this trend continues. So anyway, that's how I would trade Netflix. Members get over to the strategy session. A lot of stuff to talk about on this breakout today.